In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Apple Wallet for tickets. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to input a boarding pass or a flight ticket on your Apple Wallet, what you have to do is either open up the mobile app in which you booked the flight or look through your emails. Usually, when you finish booking a flight, you will be able to access the Add to Apple Wallet button when you go into the information about the flight. So as you can see on the screen, I'm going to show various examples of boarding passes that include the Add to Apple Wallet button. Since this is different for every single flight agency, I can't show you how it looks like on every single app. However, when you go in to scan your flight and see the details about the flight, you will be able to find this button alongside the boarding pass, and you can click the option to be immediately redirected into your Apple Wallet. Alternatively, what you can do is look through your emails. A lot of times when you finish booking a flight, you are going to receive a confirmation email that has the Add to Apple Wallet button that you can use to input the flight that you just booked into your Apple Wallet. Regardless of which option you pick, all you have to do is look for the Add to Apple Wallet button on the confirmation email or the mobile app for the flight agency, and you will be able to input it into your Apple Wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Apple Wallet for tickets. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.